What is Amazon Sagemaker? Amazon Sagemaker is a cloud machine learning platform that was launched in November 2017. Sagemaker enables developers to create, train, and deploy machine learning (ML) models in the cloud. Sagemaker provides pre-trained ML models that can be deployed as is. In addition, Sagemaker provides a number of built-in ML algorithms that developers can train on their own data. Who came up with this idea? The idea behind this offering took place in Chennai, India. Swami Shivasubramanian, VP, Machine Learning, AWS, is considered a pioneer in cloud computing. The 41-year-old joined Amazon in 2005 after completing a PhD in distributed computing, making him one of the early employees for an idea that is now a $36 billion ARR business. Over the years, he has built 40 AWS services along with his team. How did this idea come into picture? In 2005, CTO Werner Vogels and CEO Andy Jassy were looking for talented people to build large-scale distributed systems at AWS. Swami was the perfect fit, and 15 years later, cloud is the new normal for enterprises. They built the cloud for ourselves and then wondered why enterprises can't use this too. That's how AWS came about. Today, they have millions of active customers. The journey. In 2015, artificial intelligence did not appear even in the top 10 keyword searches on the internet. Today, many technologies like deep learning, ML, neural networks, and computer vision fall under it. Swami started mulling over AI's use cases. He wondered if he could build ML algorithms himself. He then spent the following 4 weeks teaching himself deep learning algorithms and applications, and wrote a paper on how AWS should implement AI and ML. A month later, he was back in Seattle, where close to a dozen people were waiting in anticipation to see what Swami had come up with. At that time, Amazon was using ML within the company but had not yet thought about offering it as a service to other organizations. Swami was already a senior executive at AWS, and his paper on ML to his team made absolute business sense. He was then given the mandate to head AWS' journey of building AI and ML as a product offering. ML is not something that every organization can master, as its algorithms are not easy to build. You need specialized computer resources. Swami wanted to make ML available to companies, which was so easy to use that they need not employ data scientists. Swami got on board 10 of the world's best data scientists and began to lay the groundwork for the entire architecture of the ML service, right from the abstraction layer to the ML frameworks. Everything had to be detailed and ironed out. The goal was to build an operating system for ML. 4 years later, AWS Sagemaker is one of the most sought-after services from AWS. Amazon Sagemaker allows developers and data scientists to quickly and easily build, train, and deploy ML models at any scale. It removes the complexity that gets in the way of successfully implementing ML across use cases and industries. From running models for real-time fraud detection to virtually analyzing biological impacts of potential drugs, the AWS team has launched the ML University with a certification program for anyone interested in the technology, called the AWS ML Training and Certification Learning. The program is free of cost and has had 1 lakh sign-ups within the first 48 hours of its launch.